Hello friends.
Kicengsi kardom kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara tu ana fanstame lapen pininali tu mafan la so video long na kiwan pila bangke Assam teachers Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK sinali tu mafan na wan piglo kuan ana pu sa vacancy sidoma kay apply nengji koson ma command tu pensi kay apply ki chengi ma last date command tu ma la so details ma tekla dagalam la bangke nali tu non la so video long si thekpon long ikpo nalitum la so YouTube channel anta subscribe pre lang polote subscribe ikon la pen videos tami nalitum share ponikon tanya non la Assam ar lopen kapik lang pon teachers of Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le pathiek pan lang pononang la pen chithan pononang tangni non puthot chithan pononang la pen lang pononang Assam High School TET Recruitment highlight APUTHAK le mate TET Voreng Avarsai Assam High School TET Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le lang pononang kicheng si nang litum post men la bangke nang litum thek ponong po high school teacher la pen total post la bangke 8230 andak post la bangke piklang pon la pen organization la bangke DSE Assam la son thak da qualification lang damlo pulte graduation unang po la pen application process la ke online se apply nengji la pen application fee la dak ke pi nengji 500 an Lason Dag start apply start la bangke 21 October 2024 pen sidak cheng poneklo Lason Dag last date of apply la bangke 15 November 2024 sin last date lo Kechengsi High School TET recruitment details la bangke lason lo name of post la bangke graduate teacher total post like 8230 ando la pen so thak lason pendet da 8230 arlo dak ke thak pondo thla Government Secondary School along 226 ason thak sidak provincialized secondary school along le 8004 and the post bang thak pon iglo lapen organization la bang kedak Directorate of Secondary Education Assam hin princip paklang pon lo piskel na litum dak thek pon long exi 14000 pen 70500 per month including grant pay na litum 8700 long pon exi Pulatang de non education qualification mate educational qualification ke char lang deng APUTHAK le lang polonang education qualification for graduate teachers art science hindi lapen sanskrit upon dak people lo lapen graduation teachers mate arts atum copy pc daki onang jima la APUTHAK stame dak tok pon iglo must be an arts commerce graduation of the postgraduate in arts commerce with any latest 50% marks in graduation mate post graduation along 50 marks unang po lapen must have bachelor of education mate BA degree unang po National Council of Teacher Education mate NCTE along pen degree from recognized university such as KK HSOU mate IGNOU la kali pulatin alitum Guwahati University distance Education will be accepted pusidak kitok pon la son da graduate teacher science atuma fan la bangke must be science graduate unang po mate post graduate unang po marks na litum 50% marks nang jil apen must have BA degree unang po same degree validity rules apply as the arts article candidate la sin na litum athak ke pipondo arts long pen adak pen kitok pon isiver lo na litum lang egon la son Lason dak graduate teacher Hindi la bangke Hindi subject afan mate Hindi graduate teacher apan kinangji Pravin mate Ratna in Hindi with 50% marks unang po BA complete nang po Hindi subject anat 50% an litum long nang po lapen BA degree la bangke unang po lapen dak Praghat in consideration BA from Hindi teaching. So that ada graduate teacher Sanskrit upon mata the Sanskrit with 50% marks unang po Sanskrit subject along. So that ada eson soni da kitok pondo lapen Assamese medium school at tumafan na litum lang ego. The candidate must have passed SSLC unang po azat or equality examination with Assamese as one of the subject lapen alternative they should possess a diploma in Assam language, Assamese language from the Assam Satya Sabha or have studied in Assamese medium school up to the SSLC level. lasi lesson lo dak nang litum jad school pen nang litum pas ta chok stame alternative la bang nang litum Assamese medium kalibulte Assam Satya Sabha long pen ki unta tum nang po Bengali medium fan stame dak SSLC pas ta chok lo la son dak da Hindi medium fan ta lo la pen Bodo medium atum fan ta lo dak English medium atum fan stame English medium school atum fan dak lang ponigon kan an dak char lang deng kinang jima la so thak la son thak thak dak other criteria lang damlo pulte candidate ta bangke must be an Indian citizen as and permanent resident. Age limit candidates will be between 21 and 38 arta anang po as of January 2023 pen selang litum dak calculation po nek po. Lapen age relation na litum lang po ningon dapen OBC MOBC atum 3 years lapen SC ST atum 5 years. PWBD candidates atum 10 years, ex-servicemen atum 2 years an dak people iglo. So that application fee and payment method for Assam High School TET Recruitment 2024 apan bangke unreserved dak 500 so that sida OBC MOBC ST PWBD atum dak 350 ansi pinangpu. Payment mode labang ki online sinalitum payment nang po. Laban ka apply neng ji aputhak stame dak tok pon lo ki cheng sinalitum official DSE website lo humri dam ignang po. Laban ki cheng si registration nang po, laban fill up nang po. Kitang so documents nalitum upload nang po. Laban documents upload apen na fee nalitum fee bang payment nang po lapan submit nang po lapan acknowledgement alo bang nalitum download iksi bi ko na po lapan documents required PPC nang zima documents recent passport size photo nang litum nang zi signature age proof sonata da educational certificate and marksheet nang po TET lapan B8 certificate nang zi caste certificate lapan disability certificate son that has the NCC lapan sport culture and experience certificate do pul nalitum pidun me stame la kithom an mang kinang litum PP data chok caste certificate lapan disability certificate lapan experience certificate hai hui bangke lapan important dates for Assam High School TET Recruitment banglason lo dak application dak start pon na bangke 21 pen se check pon pula search to 21 pen application last date November 15 2024 se last date lo lapen nalitum short article long wang lo pula dak sta menalitum link bangke long pon ikpo la sining ke hang abang phi tum kachar lang deng ke do tum ki un do tum bang nalitum jong se claim duning tung pula prabjen pen jog do nigon Kilong long lebang a fialam los tami ka try dun sikime ka bori dun sime lasi nalitum so videos tami share poligon la pena son update kilong verji apan pura nalitum so YouTube channel la bangke subscribe igon tangde dome thak me kadu kave karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangarat do ana fans tami nilhin pen kardam to change your